Here is a variety of taillight lenses that we carry, and they fit most holiday Rambler and Monaco coaches. The amber lens is for the passenger side turn signal, and it's item number 190093. The amber lens for the driver side turn signal is item number 190092. The red lens for the passenger side taillight is item 190094, and the red lens is for the driver side taillight, and its item number is 190101. All the lenses measure 7.5 inches tall and 8 3/4 inches wide, and all the lenses come with a back plate. If you need further assistance, you can reach one of our parts specialists at 616-965-9633.